So I wanted to conduct a little product seminar for Jaco Firestop, which is our fireproof caulk, which is rated at 3,000 degrees for 8 hours straight. This is some propane fuel, of course connected to a torch, and it reaches roughly 3,600 degrees or so. And this is a caulk patty that had been given time to cure, at least 96 hours, possibly way more than that, but this is a good example. And we also have a installation example of what guys on site, how they would install it. Just simply fill the hole and go. No installation restrictions, you just put it in. That's all you have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and burn one spot of this, just show you guys the strength of the product. You can see the part that I'm burning is starting to expand a little bit. That's the incandescence quality of it. Zero flame, zero smoke. Anyway, you get the point with that example. So there's our normal caulk patty. Here's our installation. Of course, you're going to see some flame and smoke from this because of the wiring, but anyway, here we go. Also, we'll look at the other side when we're done to see how it spreads over, if it does. No real heat spread. I mean, of course the heat's there, but I mean, it didn't burn the other side of it at all. Anyway, that's Jaco Firestop for you. Thanks, guys.